Hi wonderful person, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let me show you nice budget hotel JUNO JATINEGARA Jakarta, which is located in one building with the City Plaza Jatinegara Mall. Let's go inside, I will show you everything. The main floor hotel lobby, waiting area, lounge area, and vending machines. Actually, all rooms placed in one big floor, divided by zones. This is superior double room. Big bed for 2 person, TV, air condition, tea, coffee, bottled water, window view simulation. In my opinion, this is interesting budget solution, looks nice. Hot and cold shower, fresh towels, toothbrushes, toothpaste, hair dryer. Next one, superior twin room with Juno birthday option, everything like in previous one, but with 2 beds, decoration and cake. In months, when you have birthday, you can order birthday option and room in this hotel with discount 50%. Deluxe double room with 1 bed for 2 person and possible deluxe twin with 2 single beds, and all facilities here same like in superior. By the way, all rooms have place for luggage like this, slippers, place for clothes and mirror. Now you can see the results of Wi-Fi speed test in the room. Restaurant, through which you can go to the mall. Laundry room, equipped with the washing machines, iron board and standing steamer. Room prices in this hotel start from $30 per night or 470,000 IDR. I spent 2 days here and I think this hotel is great for your stay for this price.